Alright, so on the Grand Princess they have these big screens and we're going to try this game. I think we're going to follow Dr. Rachel all the way and see where she takes us. Well, what's going on, Mom?
It's okay. Once I do that,
Sure. Find and touch the ocean creature symbol. I would assume the one that says the fish.
linking or any decks 7 midship portal and find the other ocean creature to complete the link.
Okay, so
We
go
gotta go deck 7.
to any deck 7 midship portal. All right. Well, that's where we're heading to next.
Just read this on.
Nope. You hit the arrow.
Midship means the center of the ship. Forward is the front, aft is the back. Now you'll never get lost.
Go. Continue linking your medallion by touching the ocean creature symbol on the portal at deck 7 midship.
Okay, ready to go.
Be sure to remember to go next.
Confirm.
Okay. You got this, partner.
Head over to deck 7 midship portal. Here we go.
Go now all the way to deck 7. Oh, we found the second one. Took us a while, but there it is.
I wonder if I could get Burrow a medallion. He's a bad guy. Back off here. The league took away Pierre's medallion because he's driven by greed and vanity. Now he's obsessed with finding one so he can use it to seek his fortune. All of the history's great explorers who evidence all the stuff is okay, not to put too much credit during the first day, but your ship is carrying a trove of medallions that belong to great adventurers, and you're our only hope to keep them safe. Let's find the last person to December 2017 into headquarters for Lord.
I'm finding a ocean creature symbol.
So now we're part of the Ocean League. Woohoo! You're now linked to headquarters. Now you can really get it flowing.
Uh-oh, now we got to explode.
Remember the other portal where you can take your lead plane. Aft means the back of the ship. If you're still getting your sea legs. Okay, deck 8, we go.
So, deck 8. So 3 of 3, new goal.
Make your pledge. Ready?
No games. Looks like we found the next one. Yeah. Here's your medallion. Let's see what she says to say now. Play a game? In progress?
Time for you to join the league. This has all happened so fast. It seems like a few minutes ago that we first met. Let's learn a little more about it.
How do you like to spend your weekends?
How about sailing the high seas?
Okay, sailing the high seas.
What will you do with the treasure you find?
Sailing the high seas.
Give it to a museum, leave it for the next explorer, display it at home, or post photos of it on social media. We're going to display it at home. Oh, I have a lovely collection of old things. I want to see your collection someday. Okay, last one. Why do we search for history's hidden treasure? For the joy of discovery.
Indeed.
Itself is the true treasure. All right, it's pledge time.
Pledge time.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Okay.
Seriously, get that hand up and see this out. Otherwise, it doesn't count. Ready?
This green million pride.
But I will seek it low and high. Treasures lost can still be found beneath the sea, beneath the ground. I
will share the things I find that leave no clue and all behind. History is for all to see. This is a pledge that That's it. Officially, all of us are not pledging anymore. Okay.
That had to help preserve history's very certain. Plus, it has adjustable straps. Oh.
Ooh, that backpack.
You think a fancy backpack and a Corey pledge will help a rookie outwit me and start the high seas? Mark my words, I will find those missing medallions before you. You heard me. There's no time to lose. Let's get started. Thrilled to have you on board. As you explore, I'll share things I've learned while traveling the world on ocean trek. Start your first quest now or at any portal. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Take a break whenever you want. We'll be here, ready to continue the adventure when you get back. You can replay any quest after you complete it. Just select it from the quest map screen and rediscover the mysteries again.
Ta-da! Quest complete. Dun dun dun.
Bonnie, the anchor quest has been unlocked. When you're ready, select it from the quest map and see you soon.
Cool. There it is. So there you go, guys. That's the beginning of this. It's all over the ship, and you end up running all over the ship looking for different things. So it's kind of cool, kind of fun. There you go, Mom.
Exit game.
Mom's exiting game, and so are we.